How to add PineScript in TradingView. PineScript is TradingView's built-in scripting language for creating custom indicators, strategies, and alerts directly on your chart. Adding a PineScript to your chart unlocks a level of technical analysis customization that no standard built-in indicator can match. To open the PineScript editor, you're going to go to any chart on TradingView and then you're going to click on the PineScript editor. You can find that by clicking on the indicators right here at the top, and then you're going to click on My Scripts. Now, when you click on Create Script right here, you will be taken to the Pine editor. Now, this opens a code editor panel at the bottom of your chart where you can write, paste, and run scripts. To add an existing script, you're going to clear the default code in the editor, and then you are just going to paste in here your Pine script code into the editor window and click the Add to Chart button. So you're just going to click on Publish Script right here once you're done. Now, the script will immediately compile and render on your chart as an indicator or strategy overlay. If you're using a script from TradingView's public library, just search for it using the indicators button at the top of the chart and browse the community scripts section and click Add to Chart directly from the library. No manual copy pasting required for published receipts. Now, to save your own script, just once again click on your save button or the publish script button right here, and saved scripts will appear in your personal indicators list under the My Scripts. So just click on script indicators right here, click on My Scripts, and all of your created scripts will appear right here, making them available across all of your charts and devices without needing to paste the code again. And that is how you're going to add PineScript and TradingView.